paying too much for clicks? Here's how to lower your Amazon PPC costs today. You can see right here, we've got a 6% ACoS, but the biggest thing is we got our cost per click down to 2 cents a click. So imagine that you're running ads, they're only getting, every time someone clicks on your ad, you're only spending 2 cents. This one's spending 3 cents, made $200, 9 cents, made 1,000. Pretty darn good. And I'm gonna show you how to lower your costs. So the first thing you're going to do is log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're actually going to go to Advertising Campaign Manager, and it's going to take you to your campaign manager, right? Now, what you want to do to get to a very, very low cost per click is you're going to first come into any of your campaigns. So let's do an automatic campaign because most people run an automatic campaign. So you're just going to right click this and you're going to open this campaign. Once you open this campaign, what you're going to do is click on total targets right here. It says 0, but you're going to right click. I'm going to right click and open it. Okay. And then you're going to see your cost per click here. When you first run ads right here, you can see this one's on right here. It says the suggested bid is $1.33. We're spending 90 cents, right? You want to spend lower than the suggested bid. When you first run Amazon ads, they want you to run the suggested bid or a little bit higher. Once you're running your ads for like a month, 30 days, what you want to do is slowly decrease your bid. This is how much you're willing to pay, right? I'm only willing to pay 90 cents, right? I want to lower this down as low as possible and obviously get it to like 1 cent a click, right? But in order to do that, you want to lower it very, very slowly. And I mean 2 cents a week. So right now, what you're going to do, I'm going to lower this to, instead of 90 cents, 88 cents. And right when I lower it, I'm going to monitor this very closely for the next 5 days. And I'm going to make sure that it's still spending money. And you'll be surprised if you lower it only 2 cents, most likely it will keep spending money and your cost per click will go down. That means that your spend will go down and your sales should stay the same as long as you don't do a crazy change. This is exactly what we did for our campaigns. And every single week, we only lowered it by 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents. And then we were able to finally get it down below 10 cents. Now, not that this doesn't work for every single campaign. Like this campaign, I can probably get it down to maybe 40 cents a click and it'll still run and my cost is going to be amazing. But after that, it's just going to stop. Even if I do 1 cent, like 39 cents, it's probably going to stop. Right when it stops, you just change it back, let it run for a little bit longer, and then you can try it out again, maybe in a few months. But this is one of the easiest and best ways to save on your budget. Next thing we're going to talk about is all these bid adjustments and all these things that people run that just mess up your campaigns, okay? So when you first start running your campaigns, it's okay to have bid adjusters. But what you want to do is right when we're here, we're going to go to the ad group settings. And we've got this default bid. First off, if you can lower this as well, that may help. But let's go back to the ads, okay? And we want to look at everything. And then now we're going to go back one more time, back to the entire campaign. Okay, so I'm going to reopen this auto campaign. And on this screen, you're going to see ad groups and bid adjustments. Okay, and you're going to see all of your bid adjustments. Let's keep looking at the campaign settings. And then we're going to scroll down and you can see the campaign bidding strategy. Again, you want it to be down only. If it's up and down, Amazon's going to charge you double. So you saw my cost per click was 90 cents. They're going to charge me double, pretty much. You don't want that unless you're okay with spending money or it's a brand new campaign. If it's a brand new campaign, that's fine. But once you're trying to actually make sure you know this campaign's good, now you're trying to lower that cost per click and lower the spend so you can increase your sales, lower your ACoS, increase your ROAS. You want to do down only. Right? That's my highest recommendation. A lot of people accidentally keep up and down on, and they're like, why my ads suck? And it's because you're spending so much money per click, right? Even if my ads are amazing, if I'm spending $5 per click, I'm going to be losing money no matter what. If I'm spending 2 cents a click, Imagine how many clicks I have to get that at $5. 500 clicks. It's like insane, right? So you want to have down only. This, change it all to 0. Again, this is going to just increase your spend even further. So top of search, 0. Rest of search, 0. Product pages. When you talk to Amazon or some experts, they're like, hey, turn this to this, turn this to this. This is why. Look, I achieved the 2%, a 2-cent ACoS, and our ads are doing phenomenal. So it's up to you on what you want to do. I'm just showing you what has worked for me. And it's kind of like makes sense, right? So I lower this. Further increase bids. Why would you increase your bids? Like, don't give Amazon more money. Increase your reach. This is fine. I'm keeping this one on. But if you want to, you could even try to reduce spend even more by clicking this one. I'm just leaving this one on for right now. But again, these are the main ways to lower your ad spend. So, and you'll be very, very surprised when you go into your campaigns and you're like, oh, and you're spending more than the suggested bid, and your dynamic bids are up and down. So sometimes on Amazon, you're spending double, right? So you want to look at all of these, look at all of your current campaigns, go through them, and then look and be like, am I messing this up? And a lot of the times you are, because when you create your Amazon ads, Amazon automatically has a lot of these turned on because Amazon wants to make more money. They don't want just you to make money. They want to make money. That's the goal of selling on Amazon. If they don't make money, nothing matters. But that's it for today's video. Want more Amazon videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon advertising account management service. This is what will come in. We're going to optimize all of your ads. We're going to make sure that your ACoS is as low as possible while maintaining your sales or increasing them. That's going to be from data, looking at your ads every day, and manual management where we're looking through every single click, every ad, and everything in the back end, like your bids, your bid adjustments, all that good stuff. We're going to be helping you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.